So I decided to stop by and visit my old boss. He was taking out one of his many steam cars. And I thought it would be nice to say hi, chat for a bit, and then I would be on my way. But little did I know, I was in for a big surprise. This is so cool.
We should make San Francisco by nightfall.
So this is an added bonus. Top speed? 65.
This is very powerful.
Wow.
The age is 1910.
All right.